On this video, we're going to demonstrate how to remove or reduce the noise on the tailgate on a Cowboy or innovators. This is the rattling noise that we're getting. To do that, we will need to readjust the latch door. To do that, we're gonna need a 13 millimeter and a 10 millimeter. And what we need to do is we need to remove this cable and a C clamp to remove this. After that, we are able to remove the cable, and we have to loose up this bolt, which is a 30 millimeter and a 10. I'm going to move the latch to the opposite position, and we're gonna hold it and tie it at the same time. That way we will prevent from the latch to come back. We're gonna do the same on the other side. And now we can barely hear it, but I think the noise has reduced maybe 60-70%. We still hear it, but when you push it like hard. But as soon as you drive it, you're not gonna hear that rattling as you go gentle.